Let us see if they're going to come out and show their full weight, their full support, their full name brand behind the new channel of one of their channel member. Let me hear you crow like the rooster. Unbelievable. Are you probably listening to my voice and looking on the screen and say, Fowl again? Yes, we'll be talking about Fowl again, so all of the Fowl supporters, them. That is the Fowl alarm. Where all of the Fowl soldiers, them, they march out, march out. You know, march out, march out, march out for the great Fowl. Hold on, why every time I come on here, I sound as if I am rhyming? Hold on, a song me I make up. March out, march out, all of the Fowl supporters, march out, march out, march out, all of the supporters, march out. As I told you, whenever you tune in, you should bring your coffee, bring your tea, bring your vodka, bring everything. So right now, I am gonna make my tea. So right here, I got my white honey from Yemen. Yeah, it was brought in from Dubai. So this is what I will be using to make my tea. And right here, I got my Pioneer Woman kettle filled with hot water. And I got my line of mugs. I got also my plastic cup because this is what I usually used to drink tea when I was a little boy growing up in Jamaica. All of you who drink tea out of plastic cup, leave it in the comment and let me see it. Alright? Just to let you guys participate within the channel. We got 4 mugs right here and we have a plastic cup. I want you to leave it in the comment which one you would like to see Unbelievable drink his tea from on the next video. Alright, we're gonna make some tea. I think I'm gonna use the Black Excellent because I'm a black guy. So I think this one is fitting. So right here, I got my tea bag. Gonna pour my water, honey. Yeah, that's how we do it. There we go. We got to have the tea for the drama that is unfolding right now. So let us make our tea, guys. Get your coffee, get your vodka, and all of those stuff. All Fowl supporters, rope in, rope in. We're talking about Fowl. This will be the last video on Fowl until them come out and say something. We're not stretching out the thing, but because, you know, we love Fowl, and you know, and Fowl is a good guy. Jamaica Hidden Beauty also is a good channel, is a top class channel, premium channel that all of us come to love and admire and adore. So we have to talk about it. But some people think that we are here to tear down people. You see it, we don't here to tear down people. We're here to talk about the situation. So sip me tea. Ah, wow, the white honey bud. So guys, right now we're gonna play a very important segment of Fowl first video that he uploaded on his new channel, and didn't spill the bean, but he spilled the bean without spilling the bean, if I can say it like that. He gave a lot of information in the first segment of his video without him even knowing that he gave away a lot of information. You're gonna understand how and why the viewers them are so curious and in oblivion with what is going on. So we're gonna play this segment of video now, guys, and as I said, I want you to listen very carefully. Things is not as they seem with the big brand Jamaica Hidden Beauty TV and Fowl Wildlife. Alright?
This is a new channel, you know? Yeah, man, a long time you've been telling me about it, you know? Yeah, man, but we generally in the boss and Wi-Fi in there today, but them, we don't know how we are one same way. So, more time, them are do the most of the time same way. You see me? No fight it same way. You see me? Yeah, so Really and truly, them should have there today, but you know, generally, them have certain local business I deal with, so.
You hear that, guys?
Me just out here, can me just say, oh, why me just I go start it, and me gonna get some nice video from the general himself, Fowl, you know? Yeah, man. One bad Fowl adventure, you know? That is it.
Did you heard what he just said a while ago? You heard what he said a while ago. They were supposed to be there, but they didn't show up. And you can hear the disappointment in his voice. And there's some of you gonna come and say, yo, you should go farm your own content. Why are you talking about this and what are you this and that and rare. This is it, guys. Some of you don't know how to YouTube work. Any of you that know Kobe Lane, that guy doesn't make no content for himself. And he's one of the biggest YouTubers in the world. Kobe Lane. Go over there and check out his channel. He doesn't make no video for himself. You know what he does? He reacts to other else people content. Go check out his channel. He trolls the net and look at people shorts or videos and then come and react on it. And the way how he react is trying to say that the way how they do the video, they could have done it better. So go check out Kobe Lane. And then you guys will understand what his reaction. Because some of you guys don't understand what his reaction. But anyway, we're going to sip some tea. So guys, you just heard what Fowl said. Fowl said that they were supposed to show up. And you can hear it in his voice. His voice was burdened down with disappointment. You can hear the disappointment in his voice. You can also see the disappointment on his face. You see it? But this is it. I want you guys to be honest. And let us look into this thing clearly. If you are a part of a team, you're going to do a startup. And everything is good with the parent company. And you say that you're going to go out and do a startup. This is it. Any organization, the parent company would show up to throw their weight behind the startup. When your child is getting married, starting a business, is going to school for the very first time, your child is going to college for the very first time, the parent normally journey with that child. The parents are the parent, depending upon how the work schedule is. But, probably one of the parents is not within the home, to raise that child. The first day of school, didn't you venture with your child or your children? When your daughter or your son was getting married, didn't you? It's a possibility that you withdraw some money out of your 401k, probably withdraw some money out of your IRA, out of your retirement. You probably sold some of your stock to pay for the wedding, pay for the dress. You probably took out a loan, to throw your support behind the wedding of your child. That is how life works. When everything is good. No, when some, depending, on the relationship, sometimes the child will go off because the family may not agree with the relationship. No. In certain situations, when the family is not really agreeing or supportive of that relationship, they will not contribute nothing towards that wedding. Not to say that when a person get married and the parent does not, help them financially, it doesn't mean that the parent or the parents does not support the marriage, because financial situation can vary, depending on the class that you're in. Yes. But based off of what Fowl said everything is good. And I'm just going off a Fowl argument. Take a sip, guys. Take a sip to Fowl. Take a sip to Hidden Bars. Refreshing. Nice. If everything was good or everything is good as Fowl said in the video, if you have such a stalwart, stuntist such a magnificent content creator as Fowl on your channel, if you have such a outstanding character that is able to catapult your channel to stardom, if you have such an outstanding main character on your channel that is able to do some extraordinary stunts, extraordinary hunting skills on your channel, if that member say that okay, he's gonna go and farm his channel, it is assumed that the parent company would show their full backing behind such an individual. Now guys, I want you to understand. Me have this man, this white honey nice with the mint tea. If everything was good, and as I said, Fowl spilled the bean without not spilling the bean. He didn't even know that he was spilling the bean. But based off of the start, based off of what he's saying, we can use what he's saying to assume that something happened. If Fowl, if everything is okay, guys, if everything is okay, why wasn't the parent channel or the founding channel was there to show their full weight, their full strength behind the debut of Fowl channel? That is the $1 trillion question that Unbelievable want to know. If Fowl is saying that everything is good, on this particular day, Fowl was expecting them to show up. He believed that they were going to show up. Probably told him that they were going to show up. If you know that this guy is premiering his first video for his channel, nothing should be more important than showing up for Fowl for the premiere of his first video for his channel. Nothing should be, no, let me not say that, because we have situation that comes about, but you know that happen. But if Fowl is premiering his first video for his channel, Jamaica Hidden Beauty TV should have been there with their full support, their full 170,000 subscribers wait behind Fowl new channel. And this is where there is more question than answers. Because sometimes some people think say everybody no got no sense and then can't see what they go on. Let me see about here. Wait, nice. Jamaica Hidden Beauty TV should have been there at the premiere of Fowl first video for his new channel to push this, to show the support. Where is the support? Ask yourself this question. If everything was good, why wasn't the parent company, the parent conglomerate, the parent channel showing their full backing behind the first video that was premiering on Fowl Wildlife TV? Ask yourself that question. Where is the teamwork? Where is the philosophical ideology of the teamwork that was supposed to be present at the debuting of Fowl channel? Where was it? And that tells that something is not right. The first video what Fowl put out for his channel gave us the answer that something is not right. He didn't say anything, but the video speak for itself. At the breaking of grounds for a new building or a new company, when they're going to cut the ribbon, It's not just the manager and supervisors and the workers are there at the groundbreaking ceremony. It's not just those persons are there. The owner of the franchise, or maybe a couple board members of the franchise, the owner of the chain, or the owner of the conglomerate is going to show up because the company needs to show strength. The company needs to show that they have the backing of the founder, the backing of the CEO, the backing of the general manager. Whenever there's a breaking ground ceremony, it's not just the work, it's not just the manager and the supervisors and the workers are there at the groundbreaking ceremony. You got top class executives that are invited to the breaking ceremony. Yes. So this video can tell that, guys, something went down. Fowl may not have said it directly, but indirectly with his facial expression and his stuttering in his voice, and they not showing up at the premiere of his first video, the premiere of his channel, can tell you clearly or tell us clearly that something is going on. There is trouble in Zion. Fowl. There is trouble in Zion. Fowl. The video tell the story. So the only thing left now is for you guys to just come out and say, okay, raze, blase, and rest the viewers them curiosity. And let the viewers them can say, okay, we understand. Because right now, there's no damage control being implemented. Everybody just there, press forward, business as usual. But guys, read between the lines. You can use your own life experience and tell that something is up. When it's the first day of school for your child or your children, do you just send them off to wander off by themselves? Do you just send your kids them to wander off by themselves? When your child or your children is getting married, don't you show up at the ceremony? Don't you show up at the bridal shower? Don't you show up at the church, at the event? Aren't you there to support your daughter or your son? Didn't you do that? So if everything is good, as Fowl said, why weren't the parent company at the first video premiere to show their unity, to show their strength? Where is the unity? Where is the unity? Now some of you talking about unity. Oh, you guys don't know unity. This is lacking. This video is lacking of unity. Super lacking of unity. And that is the truth, guys. And some of you know it is the truth. But guess what? You're not going to say it because you want to seem as if you are the self-righteous individuals to come on the channel and leave your hypocritical comment about this and that. When some of you know is the truth. This, whatsoever happened, that's not what I'm talking about because we don't know what going on. But this right here, you know within yourself, this right here is lacking unity. It's lacking the support of the parent company. It's lacking the support of the CEO of Jamaica Eden Beauty TV. If you have such an outstanding person and he's going off on his own, you're supposed to be there at the first video to show your support. But guess what? I will give him the benefit of the doubt. I will give him the benefit of the doubt. Probably he was sick and, okay, probably something happened. Jamaica Eden Beauty TV couldn't show up. I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt, guys. Them say once bitten, twice shy. How many of you had watched the second video? Did they show up in the second video? No, they didn't. Once bitten, twice shy. No, they didn't. Is it a coincidence? I don't think so. I don't think so. All the Fowl supporters, them, let me hear you go. Something look fishy. At the night when Jesus betrayed, how much time they said the rooster crow? When Peter said he will never deny him, Jesus told him, on this night you shall deny me 3 times and the rooster shall crow. The videos are speaking for itself. The videos that Fowl is putting out, the 2 videos that he has put out already, has spoken for itself, because in none of the video was Jamaica in Beauty Boss TV present, even though they were supposed to come in the first one, and he was being very diplomatic and choosing his words very carefully, which I understand, because that is the way you don't want to create a hostile environment. So he was being very diplomatic within the choosing of his words. But he said that everything is good, but they didn't show up for the second video. And if you think I'm lying, go watch the second video, guys. Go watch the second video. So the videos speak for themselves. Something are going on. But as we say, guys, we are not here to tear down anybody. Unbelievable is just here to dissect the unbelievable event and kind of try to figure out what's going on, because that's all we do. We only can assume. You see it. But I assume within a hilarious manner. That's how I do my thing to keep my viewers entertained. I am not here to judge anybody. I am not here to say I know anything. I don't know anything. It's just that the videos and the facial expression and the diplomatic words that Fowl used within this video is casting a doubt. And when he say that everything is good, because if everything was good, they would have been in the debut video, they would have been at the premiere of his new channel, and they also would have been in the second video. They were absent. They were missing in action. They were missing in action. The tea done, guys. They were missing in action. Going forward, let us see if they're gonna be in the third video. If they be in the third video, me nah make no more video with Fowl. Fowl, any Jamaica in Beauty TV comes out in the 3rd, 4th, or 5th video, I will stop making videos about Jamaica in Beauty and Fowl Wildlife TV. Because you say that everything is good. So if everything is good and you are the descendant, or you are the new franchise of Jamaica in Beauty TV, the board members of the franchise should be present to throw their weight behind the new Fowl Wildlife TV franchise. So we're going to look and see. So guys, let us watch. Let us be observative. Let us see, as Fowl said, everything is okay. Let us see if Jamaica in Beauty Wildlife TV gonna be in the 3rd video, the 4th video, or the 5th video. Let us watch and see if they will come out, because let us see if they're gonna come out and show their full weight, their full support, their full name brand behind the new channel of one of their channel member. Alright? Bless up yourself again, guys. Thanks for tuning into Unbelievable. That's how we do it. We talk the things them, and we dissect the things them, and we try to get some understanding of what's going on with unbelievable current events that is happening across the world. Guys, stay tuned for the next video. This one is gonna shock you. I was home yesterday cooking some chicken, and I got a call from ICE, and then I get another call from Border Protection. You're gonna be shocked. They start rounding up people, and they're starting to send out calls to intimidate people. Stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be epic. Have yourself a blessed one. I'm out.